From August 7th to the 10th, the prairies will come alive with the sound of blacksmithing, forge, anvil, and community at Canada's National Blacksmithing Festival. Featuring top demonstrators like Leah Aripotch, Pat Quinn, Jake James, Ryan Belanger, Noah Vachon, Frank Anhofer, and Pedro Bedard. Come improve your skills and artistry. And don't miss the Friday night forging competition hosted by Cloverdale Forge. Camp on site, forge all day, and connect with smiths from across the country. Tailgate sales, open forges, art gallery, live auction, live demos, and so much more. Tickets are moving fast. Get yours before they're gone. Visit caniron.ca and reserve your spot today. CanIRON XIV, where sparks fly and stories are forged. Swing your hammer and leave your mark.